Hello everyone, welcome to Toysmatic. Today morning I have received this huge box. I don't know what's inside, what kind of toy is there. So let's open and see. Before moving forward into the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below that what toy you want me to review. So let's open it and see. So here is the toy that I have received in the huge box. Though the box was very big, the toy is here. So you can see this is the toy. This is a remote control car. So the color is red. Here it is written 1:16. That means that this car is all of the original one, which is 16 times bigger than this. And here it is written as tilt to control, 27 mAh power, lights are there and full function. So some warnings are there. So here is the car. You can see this is red color, and here it is written as hybrid speed. So let's see what's inside there and check the car. So here are some instructions given about the remote control and the car, the battery attachment, how you have to do, and here are 4 battery we have to attach with the car and 2 with the remote control. So you can see here, though the price is $699, I got it in offer from Flipkart at around $350 to $400. So these are the things. So let's open and see how does it look. The packaging is very good and it came in a well secured packet. So let's open and see how does it look. So wow, you can see the color is so bright and it looks so amazing. It just looks like an original car. So it is secured, both are secured. You see this is secured with rubber band and it looks like a steering, car steering, and you can see this is the look of it. So here it is secured, so I have to unscrew this, then I'll show you. So here is the car. So you can see it is bright red in color and have a black color glass. It looks very amazing. The car is made up of plastic. Wheels are also made up of plastic, you can see. So at the bottom there is a button of on and off, and here we have to put the battery, and these are the wheels. So let's fix the battery and show you how does it run or work it. So here is the remote. You can see it looks like a steering car. It have an antenna. Okay, so here you can see some buttons are there to control. So to here, to here. So this remote control also needs 2 battery, AA battery. Here it's already open, so you can see we need 2 AA battery for that. So let's fix and test it. This car have a very interesting wheel like steer wheel like remote control, but the effectiveness of it is very low, and the car doesn't move that fast, though it moves slowly, and you have to hold the remote just in front straight to the car. If you tilt it or like try to little bit of like if the remote is away from the car doesn't run. So this is the only drawback of this car. Otherwise this is an like a nice toy car to give your kid to play with if they love remote control cars. So with this I end my video today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and give me feedback in my comment. Thank you.